Politics and other local segment from grade 7. Now I am going to explain these lesson topics by using Lincoln's method in ABCD module. A few months before, there was a boy going to a science lab where he sees a plant containing leaves and buds. They were researching about the nutrition in plants, where they get from nutrition. And he visited the science lab. After 2 days, the buds changed into a flower and the leaf dried. And he remembered the physical and the chemical changes he studied in his whole class. Suddenly, he felt a chill shivering. The doctors inside the lab gave him a coat which was made up of animal fiber wool. And after a few months, it was his summer vacation. Due to the heat and high temperature in the summer season, he got summer vacation and he felt so bored. Suddenly, his brother came and he took his old science book and showed him about the nutrition in animals. And suddenly, he took 2 different acids and mixed it together. Suddenly, smoke came from it, which caused him a respiratory problem. They went to a hospital and he felt better. Thank you.
Hi, happy reading to everyone. I am Rajas from grade 7. Now I am going to link this topic by Lincoln's story method. One boy went to a restaurant where he ate nutrition in rich plants food and nutrition rich animals in food. And when he both together, his body changed physical and chemical changes. Suddenly, he got heat and temperatures. So he put a scarf in his neck made up of animal fibers. And he take a lemon and mix with the salt and make lemon juice. Suddenly, he got respiration organism struggles. So he went to a hospital. He feel better. Thank you.
Nutrition plants. There are 2 types of nutrition in plants. Autotrophic nutrition,
Autotrophic nutrition. Plants need sunlight, chlorophyll, water and minerals, carbon dioxide.
Heterotrophic nutrients. Parasitic plants. Example 2. Rudder rafflesia. Saprotic plants. Example mushroom fungi. Insectivorous plant. Example pitcher plant, Venus plant. Symbiotic plant. Example lichen.
Sunlight. The light energy from the sun is the most important source to prepare glucose. Without this sunlight, photosynthesis does not take place. Chlorophyll present in the leaf absorbs more solar energy. Leaves always grows in a pattern to absorb maximum amount of sunlight. Chlorophyll. Leaves contain structure called chloroplast. Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the chloroplast of the leaves. Chlorophyll absorbs the light energy from the sun to make glucose. Watermelons are absorbed by the roots of the plant to the soil, from the soil through the process of osmosis. Water transported to the leaves through structure-like tissue are called xylem. Carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide present in atmosphere entered the plant to the
tiny pores.
Tiny holes on the surface of the leaf is called stomata. Parasitic plants. Plants which live on other plants and obtain food from them is called parasitic plants. They are mostly in non-green due to the absence of chlorophyll. Example, donor and rephilia. Saprophytic plants. Some non-green plants that feed on dead and decaying organic matter. Dead plants and animals are called saprophytic plants. Example, mushroom fungi. Monotropia.
insectivorous plants. The plants that feed on animals, particularly insects, to fulfill nutrition are called insectivorous or carnivorous plants, but they mostly grown in the soil which are deficient in nitrogen. To fulfill their nitrogen requirements, they feed on the insect that sits on them. Example, pitcher plant, Venus flytrap.
Symbiotic plants. Symbiotic plants. A relationship between 2 living organisms who live together, share nutrition and shelter among themselves is called symbiotic relationship or association. Example,
Importance of photosynthesis. Without photosynthesis, life is not possible on the earth. Plants are the primary procedures of food. Living organisms directly or indirectly depend on plants for their food. Thank you.
Big who for all.
oh, yeah.